Hey everyone, so this coronavirus situation is probably the worst situations we have seen in our lifetime, and if you are a student, this is probably for the first time that you have seen such a situation. And this situation has changed probably everything we perceive, including the business, education and a lot more. So now future job options, future businesses, future careers would be probably kind of very different from what was existing. So this video is going to be very important for you to understand what are the top career options in demand after post COVID-19 situation. So I have picked 7 high demand career options, plus I'll give you some more bonus career options for you to understand that what all career options would be different. So my name is Ashish Gupta. I am an educator and a career coach, and let us see what all career options are there which would be in high demand. So one is research. Understand, this is probably the most important thing. If you see some of the top economies in the world, take China, take Germany, take USA, and you will find their backbone is research, R&D, including South Korea. If you see South Korea, their R&D is research. Samsung is one of the biggest companies in the world when it comes to research. They almost give a lot, 17% of their budget for research and development, and this is going to be a very important scenario in India as well, because research is going to become a crucial part for India to become a self-reliant nation. So what Prime Minister has given the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. So how we are going to be a self-reliant nation is only when we are really good in research and we are able to create the world-class products and services. And when I say research, it does not mean only healthcare or some sectors. It is going to be, of course, the healthcare is important because now we are more focused on immunity and health, but it is also going to be science, pharmacists, analysts, economics, policy professionals, journalists, and all these fields will have a lot of focus on research. So if you are planning in any of these fields or any of field where a world-class product, service, education, course, anything which can be created is in demand. Now, considering this scenario, it can be anticipated that the importance of research-based career will see a significant rise in post-COVID-19 world. Second is healthcare. I think you must be thinking that the first should be healthcare, of course, but healthcare is equally important, right? Now, with coronavirus, we have seen that the immunity or health is really important. Also, now the world is working hard for the vaccine, and then the vaccine will be given to almost everyone in the world. So healthcare has become really important, a crucial factor. Also, in this coronavirus situation, we had the healthcare warriors, right, who were the frontline workers saving our lives. So healthcare workers were really an important pillar of this situation, who helped us stood up in this situation. So now doctors, nurses, pharmacists and other related fields in medicine will thrive. Not only they've been working in day out to help the affected patient. We have seen that some of the healthcare workers even sacrifice their life for communities. So healthcare is going to be really important. Now you will also see allied medicine careers growing up and associated industries, and of course medical equipments. If you notice recently, India, from not producing any PPE kits to becoming one of the biggest PPE kit producer in coronavirus, in pandemic. Similarly, in terms of masks, we were not creating N95 masks. Now we are creating lakhs of masks every day. So this has changed. Medical equipment industry is going to grow, right? Similarly, you will see lot of medical machinery also, healthcare machinery also. So like I said, the R&D. So R&D will come in help here. Okay, a huge influx is expected in investment too. So when any industry grow, you see lot of investment coming in, and the country which has market, the investment comes there. So India is one of the world's biggest market. If you see recent developments, you see that by 2024 or 2025, India is bound to become world's third biggest economy. So this is the time when lot of investment will come in healthcare. Number 3 is education technology and digital teaching. So we have seen that in this situation, when universities and schools closed their gates, but there was one thing that kept the system alive and going, and that was technology. So online platforms and virtual classrooms were never so relevant. We have seen the teachers who have not used technology ever were doing Zoom classes. We have seen the students who have not taken entirely live classes completed their sessions, completed their classes online, and the teaching did not stop, which was the most important thing. So you see, and then along with this, you will also see that platforms like Coursera, edX, in India you have Upgrade, you have lot of other platforms have become so relevant. Now some of the platforms are even offering the courses and degrees online. So this is a very important thing. Education, technology and digital teaching is huge. So then you will also see that it is right to acknowledge that education institutions have become an of age, and traditional teaching standard will become a thing of past, right? So the transition is pervasive, and a lot of teachers will adapt, education will adapt. And also there's one more scenario which will come here strongly, is new educators. So new educators who are adapted with technology, who have really good command over technology, will come in and will create even better modes in teaching. So this is also one of the career options which would be in high demand. And when I say this, not just teaching, it is all about lot of edtech solutions which are coming in. Lot of edtech companies will grow to help student getting the right careers, learning the right courses and getting what they want to do. So this is also one thing. Then journalism. So if you see, along with the right along with healthcare workers, along with police, along with everyone else, you will also see that journalism was really important. Journalists were able to bring the information, the right information, which was much needed for all of us every day. What is happening, what are the kind of cases, what is the update, how the vaccine is coming, and lot of information and essential information which was needed when we were in our homes in lockdown. Those were the journalists who were working, reporters who were working and bringing up the essential information which was needed. So journalism has also become very important. So you will see that the journalism, career opportunities in journalism will also increase. But there is one thing which is very important and what I believe in, that is, in journalism, one thing which has become is that now you are no longer dependent on a mainstream media house for information. Today, with the help of social media, anyone who is interested in creating news, anyone who is interested in creating blog, anyone who is interested in bring out information can bring without any interruption of any third party. So it is just the viewer and the platform. So this is also an important time to understand that. More on this in the next slide, when I'm going to talk about media and content creation. So along with journalism, so journalism is the mainstream of news, but along with that, one more field that is going to grow is media and content creation. So you'll see, from marketing to movie content, what has prevailed in these times of uncertainty. You are seeing that recently the movies are being released on OTT platforms, Amazon Prime, Hotstar. You are seeing new movies coming in. Multiplexes are going to become a thing of past, and this content creation opportunity is huge. So what we are seeing is, with several businesses surviving because of posting relevant content on social media, right? Social media has become essential. Now you are able to sell because of social media. You are able to bring your product to people because of social media. So this has become important. Movies are coming on streaming platforms, right? So that is why this is going to be very important. And this, the most intriguing aspect is the diverse nature of content creation. You can start your own blog tomorrow if you have the right ideation and agenda and a touch of creative aspect. As all of us have transitioned to a virtual network, you can start on your own. So that is the one of the most biggest thing, most important thing. So media and content creation is also going to be a huge career opportunity. So next is cloud computing, AI and data technology, data analytics. So data analytics, artificial intelligence, cloud computing is also going to become, or I should say going to become, or have already become, is the right thing. Because if you see the kind of investment that came in Jio, that is huge, because people around the world are understanding the importance of data analytics. Everything is going to happen, the businesses of future are going to happen only from phone, only from internet. You do not need the real interactions anymore in future. So investment in such technologies will be for sure huge. This is the future, right? So who would have imagined that data computing will be the foundation of each and every corporation? Today almost every business exists online. We exist on cloud, right? So and cloud computing is affordable and convenient post COVID-19. So I remember I attended a session of Microsoft in the month of April, and where they said that what was supposed to happen in 2 years happened in 1 month of lockdown. Why? Because when we were not in lockdown, we had this option of not adapting technology. We were not bound to adapt the technology. But when we were in lockdown, we had no option but to go with technology, and that is the reason the progress which was supposed to happen in 2 years happened in 30 days. Right? So this is also going to become a huge field. And then right, and of course, like you see that Jio, the only company probably in the world which has Google, Microsoft and Facebook as their partner, says a lot about this story. And why I am talking about Jio again and again, because India has a great future in this field. And next is digital payment, right? You have seen the rise of digital payments in recent years, right? So I remember once upon a time when we used to go to the offices for paying everything, to today when I don't remember the last time when I went somewhere to pay something, but we are paying the bills every single month, right? So digital payment is going to become huge. Now everything is happening online, right? So this statement of Razorpay's founder, when he said, when someone asked him that who is your competitor, he said that my competitor is not any other company, my competitor is cash. And with government so much interested to bring online payments, bring digital payments, and government probably focusing on making cash payments zero, this is again a huge field in making, right? So apart from this, you will also see the growth in automation, in insurance, in cyber security, robotics, and certain industries will scale further, such as e-commerce, right? So these are also the industries which will scale. Okay, so these are some of the careers that will attract talent and witness significant hiring, right? So these are the top career options which are going to grow. I'm sure that you will focus on that, put as much effort as possible to learning as many things as possible before finalizing what you want to do. And what I always say, and I'll again repeat once, is that choose, at the end of the day, choose the career which interests you. Do not choose a career out of influence of someone else, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll keep coming with a lot of new content which will help you understand choosing the right career or growing in the career you are in. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected.